Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability Sif, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units, and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is the range of sifWELD Evolution plasma cutters. The range combines a smooth and reliable cutting arc with a simple, easy to use interface with a single point of control. Its included air regulator and vapor trap make it totally user friendly. The pictorial colour LCD display allows you to select and adjust your cutting power and view any error messages identified by the machine's intelligent circuitry. These smart plasma cutting units detect insufficient compressed air supply, arc failure, missing shield cup or electrode, or short-circuiting of the torch to the workpiece, and displays this information clearly to the user, enabling the issue to be quickly rectified. The sifWELD Evolution Cut 40DV inverter plasma cutter is a highly portable IGBT powered cutting machine with power factor correction, delivering a high cutting capacity from 230 volt or 110 volt single phase power supply, ideal for that workshop or site work. The 6 meter IPT60 style robust cutting torch ensures exceptionally smooth clean cuts and connects via a quick connect Euro socket, ensuring effortless connection and cost effective replacement. The sifWELD Evolution Cut 40DV has a high 40 amp cutting power whilst only weighing 8 kilograms. It's rated to clean cut mild steel up to 20mm at 230 volts and will sever up to 15mm on 110 volts. It can also be used easily on stainless, aluminium, copper and titanium. Your sifWELD Evolution Cut 40DV comes with everything you need straight from the box, including plasma torch and a work return clamp. This powerful little plasma cutter will surprise you both with its reliability and its amazingly low price. Try out the sifWELD Evolution Cut 40DV for yourself today. The sifWELD Evolution Cut 100 CNC inverter plasma cutter is an industrial IGBT powered plasma cutting machine which operates from a 400 volt 3-phase power supply. The machine can be used manually, though its CNC control feature makes it the ideal choice for use on a CNC plasma cutting machine. The 6 meter LT101 style robust manual cutting torch works with smooth, clean cutting performance, and it connects via a quick connect Euro socket for fast connection and cost-effective replacement. The sifWELD Evolution Cut 100 CNC has a massive 100 amp output. It is rated to clean cut mild steel up to 45mm and will seamlessly cut through stainless steel, aluminium, copper, bronze, titanium and other conductive metals. The sifWELD Evolution Cut 100 CNC comes with everything you need straight from the box, including plasma torch, work return clamp and regulator with a vapor trap. There is also an optional trolley available to offer full mobility around your factory floor. Providing power and performance to rival machines at twice its price, the sifWELD Evolution Cut 100 CNC makes a great addition to your ARC equipment fleet. Finally, the sifWELD Evolution Cut 40 Air Inverter Plasma Cutter from Weldability Sif is a highly portable IGBT powered cutting machine that delivers a high cutting capacity from an internal or external air supply and a 230 volt single phase power supply. The Cut 40 Air provides excellent flexibility with the option to use its built-in twin cylinder compressor. The 6 meter IPT60 style robust cutting torch ensures exceptionally smooth clean cuts and connects via a quick connect Euro socket, ensuring effortless connection and cost-effective replacement. The sifWELD Evolution Cut 40 Air has a high 40 amp cutting power whilst only weighing 18.5 kilograms. It is rated to clean cut mild steel up to 20mm with external air and 14mm with its built-in compressor. It can also be easily used on stainless, aluminium, copper and titanium.